Good morning, welcome class 11th. Here you can see we are with an entirely new video lecture, and this video lecture it is related with operators in Python. As you know, different operators are available in our Python language, and if you want to know the name of these operators, the very first is arithmetical operator. We discussed it already in the previous video lecture. Here, under the category of arithmetical operators, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, remainder, and this power operator, these operators are there under the category of arithmetical operators. Now the second category, the second important category, it is known as relational operator. Relational operator means they produces their result in true or false. Here arithmetical operator means they produces their result in a digit only, right? So here relational operator, it is greater than, less than, greater than or equal to. It is the correct pronunciation. Here this is less than or equal to. It is the equality checker, and the last one, it is not equal to operator. Right? So second is relational, third one, it is new for you, identity operator. Two different operators are there under this category, is and not is. Then the logical operators, or and not. Three different logical operators are there in each and every language. The first one, or and not, and these logical operators are same according to our Boolean algebra. Three gates are there in the Boolean algebra: AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. The same thing is here, and it is there under the category of logical operator, right? And the last one, it is bitwise operator. So we discussed the first two operators already in the previous video lecture, right? Here one important point that is related with arithmetical operator. What is the important point? Precedence of arithmetical operator. In this video we will discuss on this point. Here in this half-yearly examination, you will get one question of 4 marks from this particular topic, right? What is there in the precedence of operators? Just see. If you see a mixed arithmetical equation. What is the mixed arithmetical equation? Mixed arithmetical equation means an equation that contains multiple arithmetical operator in it. It is known as mixed arithmetical equation. Just see, one example is also there on the board. Here, the question that is related with the topic is solve the following equation, right? And just see the equation. Here you can see addition operator, multiplication, then addition, then division, then subtraction, and then the remainder. This equation is a combination of multiple arithmetical operators. Multiple operators are there in this equation. Now the concept is how you can solve this type of equation, right? For that, in general mathematics, BODMAS rule is there. You learned about this BODMAS rule in class 9, in class 11. BODMAS rule is very first, if a bracket is there in the equation, you have to solve the bracket. Just like the BODMAS rule, this precedence rule is available in our programming, right? Instead of BODMAS, here the technical name is precedence of operators, right? So what is there in this topic? Just see here. If you find any bracket in the equation, very first you have to solve the bracket, right? It is the sequence, it is the priority by which you can solve the arithmetical equation. Here, very first, if a bracket is there, then you have to solve the bracket very first, right? If the bracket is not there, then the top level precedence is related with this power operator. Anywhere in your equation, if power operator is there, you have to solve the power operator. अब sequence क्या बना? Suppose bracket is also there, power operator is also there in the equation. तो आपको क्या करना है? Very first you directly jump on the bracket, solve the bracket very first in the very first step. Now your second step is related with solve the power operator of the equation. Then different different steps are there, and at the last you will get the correct result. Right? So the second level, it is exponent. Third, it is unary positive or unary negative. Here the minus, just see the minus sign. If it is covered inside a bracket, it means it is a negative operator. ये किसी भी वैल्यू को नेगेटिव करता है. जैसे क्या होता है, ये देखो z equal to 10 means what? Z holds a positive value, right? If I use z equal to minus 10 means what? Here z holds the negative value minus 10, negative 10, right? So it is at the third precedency level from the top. Then here at the fourth precedence level, here you can see four different operators are there. Multiply, division, floor division and remainder, all are there under a same precedency level. It means what? The power of all these operators are same. It means what? In your equation, just shift from left to right, right? लेफ्ट टू राइट आपको मूव करना है. लेफ्ट टू राइट मूव करते हुए इनमें से जो भी ऑपरेटर पहले आएगा, यू हैव टू सॉल्व दैट पर्टिकुलर सब पार्ट ऑफ द इक्वेशन वेरी फर्स्ट, राइट? क्यों? क्योंकि सबका पावर एक जैसी है. तो अब आपको क्या रूल फॉलो करना है? आइदर यू कैन चूज द रूल ऑफ दिस प्रेसिडेंसी और यू कैन चूज द रूल ऑफ लेफ्ट टू राइट मूवमेंट. अभी बताऊंगा इन दिस एग्जांपल, राइट? देन द फिफ्थ पावर लेवल इज फॉर एडिशन एंड सब्सट्रैक्शन. And at the last, assignment operator. जैसे हम एक सिंपल सी इक्वेशन लेते हैं. Just see, my equation is solve. My question is solve this following equation and find out the proper result. अब वो equation क्या है? देखो. Just see, here the equation is z equal to 10 plus 5 into 2. Simple one. Right? So, if you want to solve this equation, very first you have to judge how many operators are there. Plus operator is there in that equation. Multiplication operator is also there. अब किसकी पावर ज्यादा है? देखो, plus minus at the fifth power level, whereas multiplication it is at the fourth power level. पावर किसकी ज्यादा है? पावर is multiplication की ज्यादा है. तो अब आप कैसे solve करोगे इस equation को? Very first just make an underline. आपको सबसे पहले ये पार्ट सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा according to the precedency level, according to the BODMAS rule, right? So here your first step is z equal to 10 plus 10. Done. Now plus operator. Here the third step is z equal to 20. By this you will get the result. Clear? अब ऐसे क्या हो? देखो अभी minus 10 upon 2. अब ये इक्वेशन ऐसे कन्वर्ट होगी. नाउ अब आप किसको सॉल्व करोगे? Here plus operator is there, multiply operator is there, and then minus means minus and division. किसकी पावर ज्यादा है? प्लस माइनस के नीचे इनसे ज्यादा किसके? मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवाइडेशन, राइट? नाउ मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवाइडेशन बोथ आर एट द सेम पावर लेवल. इनका पावर सेम है. नाउ आपको क्या रूल लगाना है? भाई इन दोनों में से कोई एक सबसे पहले सॉल्व होगा. कौन सा? Just move from left to right towards this equation. Left to right चल रहे हो. जो पहले आया, जिस पावर लेवल अगर सेम हो गया, तो जो पहले आ रहा है उसको पहले सॉल्व करना. मींस सबसे पहले आप इसको सॉल्व करोगे. सो z equal to 10 plus 10 minus 10 upon 2. It is the first step of your equation, right? Right now the equation is plus minus and division. Plus minus इनसे पावर डिवाइडेशन भी ज्यादा. सो हियर द आप सेकंड टाइम इसको सॉल्व करोगे. मींस व्हाट? 10 plus 10 minus 5. थर्ड स्टेप ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन. नाउ प्लस एंड माइनस, two different arithmetical operators are there of same power level. प्लस माइनस दोनों की पावर सेम है. अब क्या करो? वापस लेफ्ट टू राइट मूव करो. कौन पहले आ रहा है? प्लस पहले आ रहा है, तो पहले इसको सॉल्व करोगे. तो z equal to 20 minus 5 and then at the last the result is z equal to 15. You have to write each and every step of this equation. हर स्टेप के मार्क्स मिलते हैं. Clear? So once again just see the maximum power is of this parenthesis, this is small bracket, then the power operator, then unary plus or unary negative with the plus and minus symbol it is there inside the bracket. It is known as unary operators, positive and negative. Then the next level is multiply, divide, floor division and remainder. The power level of all these four operators are same. Then if in any equation you will find two or more than two operators like this one, then you have to follow left to right movement rule. Then plus minus, and at the last you have to solve this assignment operator. Simple one. Now just come to the topic, come to the question. Here the question is solve the following equation. Equation contains addition, multiplication, then addition, then division, then subtraction and the last one is remainder. तो किसकी पावर ज्यादा? Multiplication, division and remainder. All these three are at the same power level. तो आपको क्या follow करना है? Left to right movement rule follow करो. And very first you have to solve this part, right? So your first step is z equal to 11 plus 7 into 2, it is 14. Then plus 6 by 2. Then minus 11 mod 3. This is the first step of your equation. अब देखो plus plus divide remainder. किसकी पावर लेवल ज्यादा? Here dividation the power level इसकी सबसे ज्यादा. दोनों के पावर लेवल से लेफ्ट टू राइट चलते हैं. ये पहला है. So here z equal to 11 plus 14 plus 3 minus 11 mod 3 plus plus minus remainder. ये आ जाओ लेवल पे. Plus minus and then at the top side remainder is there, means you have to solve this one now. So z equal to 11 plus 14 plus 3 minus 2, remainder operator, divide 11 by 3, the remainder is 2, right? Now the equation looks like this. Plus plus minus, same power level, apply left to right movement rule. First you have to solve this one. So z equal to 11 plus 14, it is 25. Plus 3 minus 2. Next you have to solve this one. Z equal to 28 minus 2. Then you have to solve this one. Z equal to 26. This is your answer. You have to write each and every step of the equation. It is compulsory, right? So by this you can solve this equation, and the question, it is of 4 marks according to your half yearly blueprint. Right? Now just we are going to take one more example. The question is same. Solve the following equation, and now my equation is changed here. Now I am going to write a new equation. At the meanwhile, you just take the screenshot of this board so that you can recognize, you can learn the precedency level of the operator. Just take the screenshot of the video. Yes, now my next question is solve the following equation. Z equal to 10 by 2 minus 13 mod 5 plus 11 minus 2, it is there inside the bracket. Then here plus here in this bracket I am using 6 by 3. Now this is the next equation, right? Top power level, just see parenthesis, but here in this equation two brackets are there, 1 and 2. If multiple same level operators are there, means you have to follow left to right movement rule. तो left to right चलते हुए कौन सा ब्रैकेट पहले आ रहा है? दिस वन. तो आपको पहले ये सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. देखो ब्रैकेट के अंदर ऑपरेटर माइनस है सबसे बिलो पावर लेवल वाला, लेकिन फिर भी इट इज देयर इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट. So for that only we have to solve this bracket first. So our first step is z equal to 10 by 2 minus 13 mod 5 plus 11 minus 2 means what? It is 9. Then plus 6 by 3. It is there in the bracket. Done. Now just see. It is the equation now. Then one bracket is there, so you have to solve this bracket. So z equal to 10 by 2 minus 13 mod 5 plus 9 plus 2. बाकी किसी को छेड़ना ही नहीं, अंडरलाइन करते चलो, केवल उसी पार्ट को सॉल्व करना है जिसमें आपने अंडरलाइन लगाई. डन. Now the equation is converted like this. Here divide modulo plus minus, किसकी प्रेसिडेंसी ज्यादा है? Divide and modulo both are at the same precedency level. Follow left to right rule. तो अब आपको क्या करना है? इसको पहले सॉल्व करना है. Z equal to 5 minus 13 mod 5 plus 9 plus 2. Solve. Now just take this one. So here z equal to 5 minus 13 mod 5 means what? The remainder is 3 over here plus 9 plus 2 minus plus plus left to right. This one z equal to 2 plus 9 plus 2 again left to right. Z equal to 11 plus 2. Now the result is 13. It is the answer. Done? Very simple question. Just this table should be there in your mind so that you can solve these type of question properly, and then the blueprint related with this question, it is according to the 4 marks. Right? I hope you understand the concept here. Arithmetic and relation operators are covered by us. Now in the next video lecture we will discuss about these last 3 operators: identity, logical and bitwise operator. Right? Now this one is the last part of your half yearly syllabus. Right? These 3 videos of that particular data handling chapter, it will be there in the half yearly question paper, and then आगे के जो वीडियो होंगे वो हाफ yearly का पार्ट